DJI Avata 360, first flight. Got that coming up next. Bill, the drone reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The day is finally here. A picture-perfect day here in Florida. It's already in the mid-80s and a little bit almost past 10 o'clock here, and could not have asked for a better day. The wind is just calm. It's absolutely picture-perfect. It was a great day for the first flight for the Avata 360. Now, one of the things that I do recommend is check out this card for this video that I'm going to be posting up above here. What you need to do before you fly your Avata 360. It's regarding satellites. It's real important. So what we're going to do is without any further ado, we're gonna roll the clip. Now the clip is only going to be the FPV footage, and then we'll take a look at the 360 footage. So let's go ahead and roll that clip. Okay, today we're going to go ahead and take the Avata up for its very first flight. It is a gorgeous day out here. I do have 27 satellites. If you haven't checked out my video about preparing for your Avata 360, it involves satellite acquisition. Check out the card that I'm going to put up there. It's very worth your time to do that. So we currently have 29 satellites. I'm going to go ahead and get screen recording started here. All right, screen recording is underway. Now this is going to be a bit of a different flight from the ones I normally take. And what I mean by that is normally what I do is I put a small box that will feature the FPV view, and then a large box which will feature the recorded view. Well, in this instance, because it's 360 footage, what I'm going to do is you're going to see the FPV view for all the flight, and then after the flight, I'm going to go ahead and put out my 360 video, and then we'll talk about that afterwards. So we are ready to go, 27 satellites. Let's go ahead and take off here.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
We'll get recording started, and recording currently is started, and it is recording in 360 video. Let's go ahead and get it up to 100 feet like I like. Okay, we are there, and we're going to go ahead and move forward. Very impressed with the speed on this. It's seems to be very fast here. We'll fly over the pool area here. We'll take a look at the courts, the tennis, the bocce ball courts, paddleball courts. Go to the end of the clubhouse grounds here. Going to go ahead up by the entrance here. Everything looking good. And there's the entrance to the clubhouse. And we're going to go ahead up to 301 here. Signal strength is fantastic, by the way. This is very, very good. Flight handling is good. It's not a Mavic 4 Pro, but it is good. And again, this is shooting 360 video as we speak right now. Battery's currently at 83%. And everybody says you do get about 15 minutes with this. So you kind of got to make the most of your time here. I'm going to come to a stop here. Go a little bit more forward. And we're going to look north here for a second. And take a look at this. This is going northbound on US 301. And now we're going to go ahead and take a look going southbound. All right, and we're going to head down and take a look at the fountain here. Now, if you're like me, you bought the where you bought the Avata 360. I got mine off Evelyn Chan. It has enhanced transmission NA, and then you will also see a 4G on your screen. That only applies to China. That's the only place where that 4G module is activated. And enhanced transmission, it just means you probably have better signal strength as far as video transmission is concerned back to the controller. But this has been absolutely fine, no problems at all. Okay, we're up here at the fountain to the entrance. So let's see if it's going here, and it is, which is real nice. Okay, we're going to head down to where I used to take off from. Again, I'm very impressed with the signal strength on this. Mini 5 Pro, by the time I got to the highway, I was getting errors as far as signal strength is concerned, but not with this. This is very good. I'm very impressed with this. Okay, and we're just going to go down past the grassy area here too. Again, I am very impressed with the signal strength. Battery is already, it looks like 68%. So yeah, it does deplete very fast on the Avata 360. Okay, we're going to go ahead and turn around here. Battery's at 65%. It's depleting very fast on it. That's for sure. That area where I used to fly in has just gotten to be a haven for people to just park their cars there, and a lot of times police officers will have their coffee and donuts there, and it's just more conducive to fly here by the clubhouse. It really does quite well for me. And we're going to stop it here. And we're going to go ahead and do return to home.
Return to home.
Have to turn the recording back on because it automatically shuts off. We're doing yard maintenance here at the clubhouse on the grounds, so that's what that was. That was a tractor. And I had to hit record again on the footage because I wanted to record it coming back all the way in here. And here it is. It's a lot quieter too than I thought it was going to be. From every indication, everybody said it's really loud. Well, and compared to like the Mavic 4 Pro or I would say Mini 5 Pro and Neo and everything, you know, it's not bad. The noise level is not bad. So let's take a look and see how it does with landing here. Now I'm using my own landing pad. I'm not using the one the DJI provided. Let's take a look and see here how we do. And it's compensating for it. And it's going to land square on the pad. A very successful first flight for the DJI Avata 360. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the 360 footage from the Avata 360. So what do you think of the Avata 360 footage? Question of the day. What did you think of DJI Avata 360 first flight? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.